Hello, and welcome to another Tech Minute. My name's Chris. All right, so we are going to talk about how to add a resource or a room through a Google Calendar invite. This is so, let's say you wish to set up a meeting in a room and you want to ensure that the room is going to be available, as well as perhaps the fancy new Google Meet system that we have at the junior high, in Rye Junior High or over in Greenland. How you would do that is you would go to create a new Google Calendar event. So we can click on here, we can choose, all right, it's going to be an event. All right. And just to make things easier, I'm going to break this out into more options. Okay, that's going to give me the full screen so I can show you where everything is. So let's select some date in the far-flung future to make sure that everything's going to be clean here. And we could set whatever we want for the events. We're going to call this test. We're going to say add a description. This is a test. You can also create a meeting note here, but that's another lesson for another time. So over here, this is where the magic happens. Over here in add guests, we can click and add any guests that we want to include on the meeting. But if we want to book a room or a resource, we click over here where it says rooms. Click over to that tab, and first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the building that you're in. Now I'm currently in Rye Junior High, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to show me the different resources that I have available to me. It's going to show I have a conference room, I have a gym, a cafeteria. This is just the default website calendar. And I also have the Google Meet Rally system. So let's say I want to be using the Google Meet Rally system in the conference room, and I want to make sure that both of those resources will be available for this time. Well, all I do is I just click on each one of those items, and what it does is it adds it to the meeting. Then, when I create the meeting, the room and resource will be booked. Anybody else who tries to create a meeting for February 23rd at 2 p.m. will not see these resources available. Or I should say over here, the rally and the conference room will not be available for them. So if you go to create a meeting and these resources are not available, it probably means they've already been booked. And that's it. You click save, and I'm going to choose not to actually send these invites, but you get the idea. All right. And that's it. Take care.